Yeah. So I'm opening the session.html file, and what I want is an order on a ordered list. So I want like 3 items, like go to Fresno, buy food, grab some water. Awesome. And some H1 saying to the list. Okay, so we have this, but if we want this to be editable, I can't just go ahead and write something, right? It's not editable at all. But first, let me just grab this and put it on the session storage. So I just want to make sure that this is gonna be saved to the session storage. Item for.
Now, why do you want session? I thought the thing was you want it even if their browser closes.
Yeah, this one just to try it out the different API, but
Or just try the different.
yeah. So I'm gonna set item, just get this and put it there. Let's see what's gonna do. Reloaded the page, now it's on my, oh, got an error. Failed to execute set item on storage. 2 arguments are required, but only one's present. Of course, I need to set the key and the value. This is just the value. So the key is going to be to do. Awesome, no errors. Let's go to the resources, check the session storage, and I have this object HTML ordered list element. This is not helping at all. What I want is the entire HTML of this. Let's check this out. Cool. So I got this string over here. And this is fine for me. This is a string, and I'm totally cool with that. But still, I need to edit this. So here comes the black magic. What if we add this secret special attribute
That hardly anybody knows about.
on H1, for example? This is not editable, right? But what if we add...
You should, to demonstrate this, you should go to New York Times and change the headline.
Yeah, we can do that, yeah. So let's go to New York Times. Let's
And
change.
instead of Greece's debt crisis, I think that the headline should be Zeno rocking Fresno web programmer.
So I could just go ahead and change this, right?
Actually, you'll be happy.
But the way we make it editable, we can just add this attribute called content editable. And once we do that, this now gets editable. So let's get back to our page. Let's add this content editable over here. This is extreme black magic. Now this is editable. Same thing for here, right? Crazy, right? Is that cool? Come on. It's amazing.
And it works. And even though you're using inner HTML, it works with the HTML tags because it's saving them as
Exactly, yeah.
escaped characters.
So we don't need to do any complicated stuff. Let's just track for the input event on this guy. add this attribute over here, set it, and then get it.
You write code faster than I can process it. Because
So we are adding the contents editable. So now we are making it editable. We are
If it's a session storage set item to do, what does that do to the DOM?
nothing.
Nothing. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the stuff you mentioned in the last 2 hours. So we could bring you up to speed maybe at lunch. Somebody come up to speed, bring you up to speed at lunch.
So we are setting this HTML, and now we just need to make it back, right? So all the inner HTML, same thing. So we don't need complicated parsing and checking stuff, because that's how the inner HTML API works, right? If we set a string, and this is gonna convert to a
You don't need that E there on the 17. That's
no,
just whatever.
Yeah.
Not being used.
it's not being used. Yep.
So you did it without the form inputs to show us another way to use this new parameter
Yeah.
called editable
Yeah.
content.
And this is a HTML5 thing. Few people know about this, but it's extremely powerful.
Seems extremely dangerous. Huh?
No, because everything's on the client side.
Everything's client side.
Yeah.
It's not as if you can update the server. So
Yeah.
It's only if you wanted somebody to keep something local.
Yeah.
2 questions. One is just what you're talking about there. Cross-site scripting issues, because this is only on the client, you don't have to worry about it. They can put in whatever JavaScript